Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook artificial crab meat. This versatile ingredient is actually pre-cooked, meaning it's ready to eat straight from the package. You can enjoy it cold or gently warm it up for various dishes. If your artificial crab meat is frozen, remember to thaw it in the refrigerator overnight. Before using, it's a good idea to pat it dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture, ensuring the best texture for your culinary creations. Artificial crab meat shines in many cold preparations. For a classic crab salad, simply shred it and mix with mayonnaise, finely chopped celery, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's also a perfect, convenient addition to homemade sushi rolls, especially California rolls. Consider adding chunks to a vibrant pasta salad with your favorite fresh vegetables and a light vinaigrette. For a quick appetizer, serve it chilled with a zesty cocktail sauce or a spicy aioli for dipping. When warming artificial crab meat, remember to do so gently to maintain its delicate texture. You can lightly sauté it in a pan with about 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil for just 2 to 3 minutes until it's warmed through. It's excellent in creamy seafood pasta dishes. Simply add it during the last few minutes of cooking. For a quick stir-fry, incorporate it towards the very end. It also makes a delicious filling for quesadillas or tacos, heated briefly with other ingredients. To ensure the best results, avoid overcooking artificial crab meat, as it can quickly become rubbery and lose its pleasant texture. This ingredient readily absorbs flavors, so don't hesitate to marinate it briefly for an enhanced taste profile. For storage, keep any unused portions in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Remember, it's important not to refreeze artificial crab meat once it has been thawed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.